Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. A Visit to a New Earth by Angel V. Ornedo Jr. August 26, 2021. The third dimension is physicality, matter, illusion, while the fourth is experienced at dreamtime, where you have a choice of astral travels to other worlds. If you desire, ask and remember how our spirits dream at galaxies as you wake up. From these planes, we evolve at various folds of densities, 12 dimensions of consciousness times 12 at each dimension, a part of the expanded Supreme Creator's experience through creation. At our current expression as we ascend, we further encounter multifarious levels of evolution to unity consciousness, the ultimate path we seek, that is unconditional embodiment of love. Mother Earth is now at the fifth vibrational density as source. All that is, the universe overflows us with intensified energies, light codes and divine imprints, creating the increase of aware and awaken to the path of human collective consciousness. Allow and accept the flow of energies that create new paths leading to our journey to oneness. Our planet shifts to the fifth plane, and the universe transforms to one higher level of dimension. We realize why the whole universe, space beings are all eyes on Earth. Aside, their brothers and sisters are incarnates on Earth assisting us in this event, and they observe how they live at the planet. Majority of humanity will be left behind at the third vibrational frequency, the initial plane of consciousness where humans desire illusions of physical existence. Dark manipulators are underground, but light energies pursue and enter all crevices where they will be forced to come out and face light forces to answer for their negative deeds. The fourth density is of love and understanding, that is where we connect with galactic family circle, experienced at lucid dreaming or astral travel for aware and awakened. People who express themselves realizing unity consciousness and unconditional love are at the higher fourth vibrational density of existence, while others are at the lower fourth who emphasize the effects of darkness, are still groping. Some of us pass that stage where dark beings are pulling us and myself deep down for 3 successive years until I fully cast them out. Terrifying years of my life where my wife and kin thought I am going crazy. We are all volunteers playing this shift in consciousness, assisting anyone desirous of our help. Aware and awaken live as examples of love for us to fulfill our mission, raise the consciousness of Earth and humanity a notch higher. Realize that we are assisted by light beings, ascended masters and source, with continuing flow of light energies flushing out darkness on Earth. The fifth density is the plane of love, light, wisdom, and infinite intelligence, where peace and harmony reigns. It is an utmost place of beauty, as residents can literally reform selves, convert to beautiful beings of love and light, and prepare for transformation to crystalline form, understanding who we are, unconditional love on track to oneness. Sixth density. The sixth density is unity of consciousness, where we blend wisdom and infinite intelligence with love. This is where we realize the values of service to others in relation to service to self, where unity is attained through a heart-centered way of thought, the realization of love. This is the first of the dimensions where there is no longer a need for physical bodies. Souls here will often choose to travel as light bodies in their pure form. At 60, you have greater connectedness with the worlds you're inhabiting. The fifth density. Ideas, imagination, and vision. At higher fourth density, we travel to the fifth vibration through the astral world. At a locus, we reside in a village of peace and harmony of all, nature, plants, animals, humans, and all beings, residents of the community of love and sharing. Homes are built mostly of graphene, unseen like clear transparent glass, carbon-based material 200 times stronger than steel. Construction components that serve the equivalent of the third density materials for foundations, columns, walls, glass roofing, and roof deck. Technology for nature materials like fiber, nature-friendly for homes, is still in infancy 1. At 5D, homes are delivered in components of the types and sizes of the desire of the homeowner as you desire and manifest your living quarters. I imagined a circular, graphene glass type home, 3-story with a roof deck, no joinery built in place. 300 square meters in circumference per floor, naturally air filtered to outside temperature of 20 degrees Celsius at daytime, at night more comfortable temperature conducive to rest and meditation. Other homes at the village are similar but different shapes, rectangular or combination shapes designed to individual tastes. Ground floor is receiving area, roomy, and airy. Abundance and desire for food and drinks once thought are telepathically transmitted to the host, manifested and served instantly at the dining table to family and children playfully laughing and singing with nature. Joy and happiness are felt everywhere. Waste technology in place as everything is transformed to gas-to-light functioning energy. Bedrooms are at the second floor where energy is in constant flow. The third floor is meditation sanctum cum viewing convertible to sports area if desired, a place of peace and serenity as you step in, transparent roof graphene slab for viewing of the stars. The roof deck is an aerial transport parking for one plane car invisibly computer marked 150 square meters at center. The transport car is cylindrical or choice of circular in form anti-gravity and can carry 8 passengers, fully automated interconnected with all networks at place of operation including control towers of all cities and terminals. There are no untoward incidents with air lanes and movements are read by computers as everything is interrelated, connected and operated through an access code. Air cars automatically follow air lanes designated for travel. That is astral travel ongoing every time I desire it, creating different 5D loci. At 5D teleportation is common, if travel is outside our planet. Meanwhile I shed all of my blockages and unnecessary memories and experiences undesirable at 5D. We live at a crystalline world of light where we transform into crystalline bodies, the crystal of our soul. As evolving individuals we are beings of beauty, strength, and form. Electricity like the northern auroras connects all of Earth and humanity. Source through Archangel Michael, my protector, provides us the light electrical connectivity for the whole world through pillars of light. Light gives out images in space enabling form for teleportation, transforming us to pure conductors of energy. Our path to unity consciousness and oneness is within our reach. See our new reality, a crystalline light 5D 6D world, a new Mother Earth environs characterized by unity consciousness, unconditional love, harmony, compassion, peace, abundance, empowerment, freedom, happiness, greenery, and purity of air and water, as we humanity are starting to get lifted to these vibrations every moment now, a world of manifestation we call magic at 3D. This is one of several astral visits at New Earth I share with you. Imagine and dream years and be a part of human collective consciousness now at a higher plane. New reality is coming at our doorsteps. Love and light. Angel Ornedo Jr. NB1, graphene discovered by Gaiman Novoselov in 2004. Unseen carbon material is at a European Euro 1B/1.18 billion US dollar funded research and advanced commercialization of products development stage at 3D where applications range from construction, automotive, aviation, electronics, energy, composites, filtration and biomedicine. About the author, Angel teaches love, light, oneness and unity consciousness. Connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.